Hello everyone, if you are new here, I'm Chandrika, and if you are my lovely subscriber, thank you so much for watching me again. Today I've created this sweat proof makeup look. It is summer, so it's very important to do a sweat proof kind of makeup look, and I made it very simple, and it's a neutral kind of makeup look which you can wear it for every day, and you can call it everyday makeup look or no foundation makeup look. And if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to like, share and comment on your thoughts. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. By the way, this is my Instagram ID. I'll upload all the pictures and my makeup looks on my Instagram. You can check it. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So first I am using this Nivea cream, and all the product links are in the description. Please check it. Yes, I am using this thick moisturizer because we are creating that waterproof kind of or sweat proof kind of makeup look, so that's why I'm using this thick moisturizer. And yeah, I'm spreading it all over my face and neck, and then I'm moisturizing my lips as well because it's very important to moisturize your face, neck and lips. I'm defining my eyebrows, so I'm taking this black eyeshadow from my most broken palette, and yeah, I'm defining my eyebrows, just brushing them upwards and then filling all the gaps, and then brushing them downwards and then filling all the gaps. If you want a complete tutorial about how to do eyebrows, I'll make a complete video about it. And then I'm brushing my eyebrows. Next I'm using this Blue Heaven primer, and yeah, I'm just activating it and then concentrating on my T-zone, that means cheeks, nose, forehead and chin. Then I'm spreading it all over my face and neck. So we are done with the skin preparation. Next I'm taking this Kiss Beauty concealer and highlighter. I'm just concealing all my dark spots, black spots or dark circles, and where I have uneven skin tone like under my eyes, on my nose, on my eyelids and around my mouth. I'm covering some of my dark spots on my cheeks. Next I'm applying same concealer with the help of a foundation brush on my neck. Next I'm taking this Blue Heaven finishing powder. Yes, I'm not using any compact powder here, I'm using this loose powder. So I've made a complete review about this Blue Heaven finishing powder. The link is in iCards and description, you can check it. I'm setting my whole face. I'm setting my concealer using this finishing powder. Yeah, that's it. We are done with our base. Next, to give dimensions to my face, I'm taking this bronzer shade from Swiss Beauty Pro Blusher and Highlighter Palette. And can you see the difference that contour or bronzer made? Yes, then I'm contouring my jawline. Look at the difference. Look at the both sides. Next, I'm contouring my other jawline and cheeks, forehead, and then I'm contouring my nose. So while I'm contouring my nose, I use my fingers. So just take very little amount and contour your nose if your nose is not very sharp. For blush, I'm taking this shade from the same palette and taking a very little amount and then applying it on my cheeks. Some blush on my nose to give that sun-kissed effect. So yeah, after blush I'm highlighting my face using the highlighter in the same palette. Just I'm highlighting my cheeks, nose, chin, cupid's bow, forehead. Next I'm taking the same bronzer shade to do my eye makeup. So I'm just creating a depth on my eyelids. I'm just blending it in circular motion with the help of a blending brush, and then I'm highlighting my brow bone and my inner corner. Next I'm taking that same bronzer shade and smudging it on my upper lash line. And next, to open up my eyes, I'm taking this black eyeshadow and smudging it on my upper lash line. I'm just extending it to give that smudged eyeliner effect. Next, I'm applying that same black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Take very little. If you are using black eyeshadow, you have to take very little and then apply it. Next, I'm curling my lashes and I'm taking this Maybelline Hypercurl waterproof mascara and applying it. So today I'm not going to wear any false lashes or something like that. And can you see, it is a neutral and nude kind of eye makeup, so I kept it very simple, because if you are doing everyday makeup or no makeup look, you can try these neutral kind of eye makeup looks. So yeah, next for lipstick, I don't know, I'm confused whether to use that brown shade or this pink shade. So first I tried that pink one, so then I applied this lip gloss, but look at it, it's no, it's a big no. I didn't like it, so yeah, I changed it. Thank god it's not a waterproof lipstick. I forgot that I'm doing this waterproof makeup look, so I erased all my lipstick and I'm using this non-transfer lipsticks, and I'm taking this light brown shade, and yeah, I want to mix it with a dark brown one, so I took this dark brown shade and I mixed it up. So yeah, your lipstick is now a waterproof lipstick. Then I'm done with my hairstyle, and so yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it. This is how I created this makeup look. I hope you all like this video. Also comment on your thoughts and suggestions, I would love to answer them. That's it for today's video. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.